Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to this channel where we talk about everything about the Netherlands lifestyle. But today we are going to cross the borders and go to Germany to enjoy a small little luxury vacation from pools to saunas to buffets and to complete relaxation. And then we selected the valley view of for this. There is not really a lot of valley view. If you can see here, it's a parking lot and then there is a valley, so I can't really see a valley, but I can definitely see some cute houses down there. But yes, I already feel relaxed. It took like around 3.5 hours for us to reach here. If you're wondering where we are, it's H Plus Hotel in Fellingen. Usually this is a ski resort, like people who ski come here during the winter months, but even in the summers it's very cute. The road, at least half an hour until we reached here, was so beautiful, so cute houses, all the countryside of Germany. It looked really nice. But now after like sitting in the car for almost 3.5 hours, we are ready to go and jump and dance and play in the pool, and that's where we are headed now. Let's go. We just had a wonderful, well, not so wonderful. The view was nice, the ambience was nice, but being a vegetarian in Europe sometimes can be problematic. But nevertheless, there was salad and there was some rice, so it's cool. And now we are just out for a stroll in the neighborhood area because it looks so beautiful and the houses are so cozy. Good morning. It's bright and early. Well, not bright so much because the clouds have shown up, but it's fine. Yesterday was a very hot day, so today I'm happy that the clouds have shown up. We're going out for breakfast and then let's see what this relaxing vacation has for us. So after a very hearty, if you hear tractors around me, if you can see, those are like mountains, and those mountains are getting maintained, means the grass is getting cut, and that is why it's all the tractors that are doing the job which are making this noise. Yete. We want to see by car which are the areas that we would actually like to explore by walk, and that's why first a car ride and then walking. Exploring the area by car, we went up and down and everywhere. All of this place looks amazing. There are some chalets here. Look at that bench, how nice it would be to get up in the morning and drink coffee there. But we are not staying there, we are staying in a hotel which is a little bit down. But finally we decided to explore this area which says like it's a agriculture area, and it looks like a beautiful forest there. So we are like planning to go and do a small little picnic, and the weather gods have blessed us because yesterday it was like a heat wave, so we could not go out. But today is quite nice and chilly to do like a small little hike, but it is chilly, so I'm wearing my jacket. But it's a beautiful weather, beautiful scenes. Have started hiking and come across this fun hut. I don't know how to say that, but it's like a small cozy hut because behind me are those ski mountains from which the ski lifts come down here, and I guess during the winter season they come down here for a coffee or something. But this is such a cute restaurant and such a cute vibe. I plan on relaxing here like so much and got myself a cup of coffee. I'll get some cookies. and just relax. पडला तर a long time now, but it does not feel tiring at all. It's quite a slopey and hilly area, but not so difficult, and also the weather is so good that I'm not even sweating or I'm not even getting tired. Best thing about this place is when you walk here, you feel like there is no one around you. This is like a secluded area, but it's because the views from here are just gorgeous. It's so pretty. But now we are back again in the hotel and going to enjoy again in the swimming pool. I will try to take some shots because the views from the swimming pool are really nice. So let's go in the pool. He's at the pool and now I'm headed to take some much needed sauna. Tell me you're an Indian without telling me you're an Indian. We are staying at this very nice hotel and the dinner is good. It's not so bad, but like literally not as flavorful as we eat. And we had this dinner yesterday and today, second day in a row, I get dressed up, everything, we go for dinner and look at the same menu and we are like, no, can't do it for 2 days in a row. So we are out now to hunt for some flavorful food. It is just 7 o'clock and thankfully all the shops here close by 10. So I think I'm craving a doner kebab. Vegetarian, of course, but I don't know. Something that has flavor. Can't eat bland food 2 days in a row.